Man, Maryland weather is kind of funny, man. I tell you, it was like, I don't know, 70 some degrees the other day, and granted it's April. Yeah, it's April. It's April, okay? And it snowed in some places in Maryland yesterday. It rained all day yesterday. It was cold. It was like 30 some degrees. Anyway, I digress. I'm cold. I got my seat warmers heating up. I got my car heating up. But today I'm gonna talk about my Rexing dash cam. All right, so my Rexing dash cam, I have a forward facing and a rear facing camera. I bought it off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description with everything that I purchased to install this thing. You really don't need much. You honestly just need the dash cam and everything comes with it. But if you want to hardwire it to the car, you need to buy something else. All right, anyway, so I bought the Rexing V1P 4K, it's still going, 2.4 inch LCD, 2160p front facing and 1080p with the rear facing, Wi-Fi, 170 degree wide angle dual channel dashboard camera recorder. I could go on, it's still going. I'm gonna stop right there. I'll put the link in the description below, but Rexing V1P 4K 2.4 inch dash cam. That's crazy. As of right now, in April of 2022, it is selling for $159.99. It looks like that there's a coupon where you can save an extra $15, and I got a similar deal where I could save like $15 or $20. So it works just like a dash cam. You have an app that you can use. The app connects via Wi-Fi, so you have to, when you first install it, you have to enable the Wi-Fi and all that stuff and connect to it. But that's where you can download the videos. The video quality with the dash cam is actually really good. I mean, it has really good daytime view, nighttime it looks good. It's pretty clear. It's inclement weather like snow, rain, anything like that. It all looks really good. I wouldn't expect iPhone quality crispness, okay, but it is very clear. I mean, considering it is a dash cam, like, it will save you if something happens. You need to prove yourself, prove your innocence in some cases. So to take a look at how I have it wired up, I'm just gonna show you guys here. So you guys can see a few wires, all right? So this wire is actually currently powering the dash cam. It goes into what I call the cigarette lighter. I know we don't have those anymore, but this is where it is. It's plugged in, okay? I do have a kit, and this is this wire, to be powered by the car's power. And so with that, I don't have that in because I didn't have the proper fuses to add to it. So anyway, I have everything lined up. So I have it lined on the roof liner, and then I have it on the cable through here, and then the cable goes in there under this trim piece. It goes all the way down, and I have it under or behind the fuse box. So if I take this out, you can see it here. Again, it's not in there because I need to get the right fuses, and also I am using that bolt right on that little piece right there. and I couldn't reach it with the tools that I have, and that would be for the negative, or the ground, sorry, the ground, right here. So that's what it would look like if you had it wired up. I will put everything in the description, but for the back camera, it's this one right here. It's going along the roof line in here and under this trim piece, and it goes all the way back there, as you can see. Now let me take you to the back. I have the wire coming along here. It was a very long wire, and this was prior to my knowledge of what where I could put it. It goes all the way here, and I have it under this. So I fished the line, or the cable, through here and brought it up through here, and then it came out right behind this trim piece, and as you can see, it's all nice and tucked away. So that's how it is wired for the rear camera. So that is that for the dash cam review. It's the Rexing dash cam. I really recommend it if you guys plan on getting a dash cam. So please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting more stuff out there. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Peekaboo. Oh, I had too much coffee today.